Good evening and welcome to my tutorial on how to use Valve's map editor called Hammer. And some of you might be familiar with this whole setup that I've got going on here, and some of you might not. I'll be teaching you how to make this, which is just a simple room with a light in it and a skybox. It'll run pretty well in the game. There won't be any terrorists. There'll just be counter terrorists, and it will work in Gary's mod when you copy it over. So I'm just gonna create a new map. Alright. Now you gonna wanna start off by making a big square and pulling it down. Yes. So you make the square and you press enter. Now you click the camera tool and then face it on the ground. Okay, so this is what we got so far. It's very shiny. It looks very shiny. Not very shiny. It really isn't in the game. I don't know why Hammer does it, but I think it's quite hilarious actually. So I'm going to keep it. Okay, let's make a big square in the middle of the map. This big. Alright, so you make it, you press enter, and yeah, this is some more geometry that we're going to add to the map. We can make circles, we can make squares. Wedges don't work for some reason. They break the game, but you can find them all down here in the object section. So just for as an example, I'll show you one. This one's going to be the exact same size as the other one, but I'm going to make it a cylinder and press enter. And this is it. That's what I just made. Pretty simple. Maybe I'll make another one that doesn't look so dodgy and shit, so do the exact same thing, but I'll make the faces up higher to about 32, and this is the kind of results that we get. We can texture these individually. We click on them and go browse over here, double click on one, and then press this little brown thing here, and it'll change the texture of it. Alright, anyway, to make a player, click on the entity creator, go to info player, terrorist or counter terrorist, or you can make both. Make a couple here. Terrorist, where are you? Make a couple over here. And yeah, it's a basic setup of a map here. But if we run this in the game, it will not work. We need to create a light and a skybox first. These are the bare necessities that we need to play the game. Alright, so you go env underscore, wait, crap, light underscore environment, and then you click anywhere on the map, give it a double click, go to brightness, go pick color, choose any color you want. That will be the color of the light, but choose kind of yellowy lighty color. Make the brightness about 100, apply it. Go to pitch, choose about over here, which will give it kind of not just down light, it'll give it kind of lighting from the side, so you actually be able to see a shadow. You can edit that all you want, but I'm not really going. Actually, shit, I'll probably do this here. -75. Apply it. Alright, I'll check this back to normal. Okay. Now all we need left is the skybox. So you go to the brush tool, make a big square around everything else. Go to the textures. Go to the search thing, type in skybox, scroll right down to the bottom for this little thing here, and then you press enter. Now, ooh, it's still a cylinder. Hold on. Alright, so turn this back into a block, make it big again, and then press enter. That's your skybox, except one thing. The inside is you can't see inside a square. Right now it just thinks it's a block with the sky attached to the outside. So we'll just click on it, or it's already being clicked on, but if you clicked off it, you click back on it, run back in, right click on it, make hollow, 64 maybe, and oh crap, maybe not 64, try 32. Yeah, 32 will do. And yeah, you run this and you'll probably have a map to look at, and you can learn from that. Ooh, one thing before you go is click on every player you have and move it up, because you might get an error saying that the CT or T team is full, and that's just because the entities were like in the ground. So Counter Strikes are like, oh, I don't know where any of the players are, so you can't really use it. Anyway, give it a save. Simple poop 169837715. Save it, and then give it a run. Once you run the map by going to File, Run Map, something like this will come up, and that's your map. And yeah, you'll get an error message after about, I don't know, 10-15 seconds saying that it timed out, but you can just create the server again. Anyway, tell all your friends. Bye.